Your sales team is hungry. They've got the skills, the drive, and the quota to hit. But here's your problem. They're spending a third of their time hunting for content, or worse, creating their own. Meanwhile, your competitors are showing up with polished demos, customer proof, and battle cards that make buying easy. And that's where we come in. At Videodeck, we build sales-ready video assets aligned to your buyers' real questions, their real objections, the features they actually care about, and ultimately the proof points they need to see in order to say yes. We're talking product demos that actually demo the value, competitive positioning videos that give your reps an edge, customer testimonials that do the selling for you, and training content that gets new reps ramped in weeks, not months. Here's how it works. You outline what your sales team needs. We handle the scripting, the studio production, the graphics, the whole thing. In 5 to 10 days, you've got professional video content your reps will actually use. No more PDFs that get ignored, no more Loom recordings that look like they were shot in a basement. Just polished, on-brand assets that help your team close faster. Because when your sales content is this good, it doesn't sit in a folder. It gets sent, it gets watched, and it gets deals across the line. Let's build your sales video library. Videodeck.